For centuries, the Himalayas has followed a rhythm. Every winter, snow blankets the mountains, glaciers slowly grow. Rivers prepare for another year of life downstream. From the Indus to Gangas, millions depend on this seasonal cycle. But recently, something strange has started happening. In parts of Uttarakhand and the western Himalayas, January, traditionally the peak snowfall season, arrive with forest fire instead of snow. So the question is, what happens when the snow arrives late? Or worse, what it doesn't arrive at all? Welcome to the Climato TV, where we unpack the environmental story shaping our future. Today's story isn't about cancelled ski trips or empty tourist resorts. It's about something far more serious. A subtle but dangerous shift in the timing of the Himalayan snowfalls and how it could reshape ecosystem savers livelihood across South Asia. The Himalayan receive most of the winter snow from a weather system known as western disturbances. This storms originates thousands of kilometers away from the Mediterranean Sea. They travel eastward across Central Asia and eventually collide with the Himalayan mountains, releasing snow and rain. Typically, this snow begins in the December and intensifies through January, and this timing is incredibly important. Early winter snow forms a stable base layer that help glacier accumulate ice. Think of it like a foundation. If the foundation is strong, the glacier survives the summer melt. But if snowfall arrive late, the entire system begins to weaken. In recent winters, scientists and local communities have noticed a troubling pattern. Western disturbances has become less frequent, weaker, and arriving later than usual. Instead of heavy snowfall in December and January, some regions are seeing snow only in late January or February. In Uttarakhand, this year's January was usually dry. Instead of snow-covered forests, parts of the state reported forest fires, something normally associated with the monsoon summer month. This shift may seem small, a few week differences, but in mountains ecosystem, timing is everything. When snow falls early in winter, temperatures are cooled enough to preserve it. Layer upon layer builds up, slowly compressing into ice. This process feeds and strengthens glaciers, but late snowfalls behave very differently. By February, sunlight is stronger and temperature begin rising. That means fresh snow melts first much faster. Instead of becoming part of the glacier, it disappears. Scientists call this problem glacier mass balance. Glaciers need more snow accumulation than melt to survive. When late snowfalls melts quickly, glaciers lose the balance. Over time, they begins to shrink. Delayed snowfalls also leaves Himalayan forests dangerously dry. Normal winter snow act like a natural moisture reservoir. It slowly melts, keeping soil and vegetation damp through early springs. But when snowfall is missing, the forest floors dries out. In region dominated by pine forests, dry needles accumulate like fuel. All it takes is one spark from lighting human activities or rising temperature. In recent years, winter and early spring forest fires in Uttarakhand have increased significantly. This damages biodiversity, releases carbon into the atmosphere, and further worsens climate change. The consequences don't stop in the mountains. Snow and glaciers in the Himalayan feed some of the Asia's most important rivers, including the Indus, the Sutlej, the Beas. This river supports agriculture, drinking water, and hydropower for hundreds of millions of people. When snow cover shrinks or melt earlier, rivers behave differently. At first, glaciers may release more water than usual, increasing flood risk. But over time, a glacier shrinks, the long-term water supply declines. For farmers in downstream region, this could mean less reliable irrigation. For cities, it could mean water shortages, and for ecosystem, it could disrupt entire river system. Research across high mountain Asia confirms this trend. Scientists studying satellite data have found that persistent snow covers is declining across the region. Even with 1.5 degrees Celsius of global warming, the changes are already visible. Snow seasons are becoming shorter, snowfalls is becoming more erratic, and the delicate balance between snow accumulation and melting is shifting. Climate models suggest that if warming continues, these changes will accelerate into coming decades. For mountain communities, snow isn't just scenery, it's a lifeline. Snow feeds spring that supply drinking water. It supports agriculture and grazing. It sustains forests and wildlife. When snowfall patterns change, entire livelihoods are affected. Tourism may feel the first impact, but the deeper consequences unfold slowly in water scarcity, crop failures, and ecosystem stress. From remote Himalayan villages to the fertile plains of the northern India, the ripple effects can be enormous. Climate change doesn't always arrive as a dramatic disaster. Sometimes it appears quietly. A winter that feels warmer, snow that arrives a few weeks late, a mountain that stays brown instead of white. But these subtle shifts can reshape entire natural systems, and the Himalayas, often called as Asia's water tower, are among the most sensitive regions on the earth. The story of missing snow isn't just about mountains, it's about rivers, forests, food, and water security for millions. And it reminds us that climate change isn't always loud. Sometimes it shows up a snow that never comes. If you want more deep dives into the climate and sustainability stories like this, subscribe to Climato TV because understanding the climate crisis is the first step towards solving it.